Today, we will talk about the base effect and how comparison works in financial data analysis. The base effect is the effect that choosing a different reference point for a comparison between two data points can have on the result of the comparison. This often involves the use of some kind of ratio or index value between 2 points in a time series data set, but can also apply to cross-sectional or other types of data. The base effect occurs whenever two data points are compared as a ratio where the current data point or point of interest is divided or expressed as a percentage of another data point, the base or point of comparison. Because the base number makes up the denominator in the comparison, comparisons using different base values can yield widely varying results. If the base has an abnormally high or low value, it can greatly distort the ratio, resulting in a potentially deceptive comparison. The base effect can work for or against you. Choosing an inappropriate basis for comparison or ignoring the base effect in a time index can lead to a distorted perception of the magnitude or rate of change of the current point in a data series. On the other hand, understanding the base effect and choosing appropriate bases for the comparison you want to make can lead to a better understanding of the data or even the underlying process. Inflation is often expressed as a month-over-month figure or a year-over-year figure. Typically, economists and consumers want to know how much higher or lower prices are today than they were 1 year ago. But a month in which inflation spikes may produce the opposite effect a year later, essentially creating the impression that inflation has slowed. The distortion in a monthly inflation figure that results from abnormally high or low levels of inflation in the year-ago month is an example of the base effect. The base effect in an economy is commonly used to understand inflation. If inflation is compared on a monthly or yearly basis, the information can become distorted, so choosing a base point, or base year, that is a point earlier in time, can help smooth the changes in inflation. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. The base effect refers to the effect that the choice of a basis of comparison or reference can have on the result of the comparison between data points. 2. Using a different reference or base for comparison can lead to a large variation in ratio or percentage comparisons between data points. 3. The base effect can lead to distortion in comparisons and deceptive results, or, if well understood and accounted for, can be used to improve our understanding of data and the underlying processes that generate them. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.